Okay, good morning. Good morning, everyone.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर।
Okay. So बाकी मेंबर कहाँ है यार? ये सुधांशु रंजन और शिव शक्ति पठोक, ये दोनों को बुलाओ, और प्रकाश प्रकाश ये को इसको बुलाओ।
हम यही है सर।
शिव शक्ति, ओके। बाकी को बुला लो एक बार। ओके, ये दीपक मरंडी, दीपक क्या हम लोग का ग्रुप में था?
No, sir.
नहीं सर।
Yes, Deepak, you have to leave now because this is a project class. Okay, so your mentor, I think another teachers. So please, we have to confirm your who is the mentor you, and then you have to join his or her class. Deepak Marandi. Okay, so I think your group member, that is Sachin, Anupam, Shiv Shakti, Sudhanshu, और कौन था? प्रकाश था आप लोगों का ग्रुप में?
हाँ सर, प्रकाश।
प्रकाश, और कोई था?
मुकद्दस था सर, मुकद्दस।
यस, मुकद्दस, यस यस। Okay, I think 5 members are joining. So any other person is available? No, only 5. Please confirm me, anyone. Any other member are present in your group? अनुपम, आप लोगों का ग्रुप में यही पांचों था ना और कोई है? अनुपम, आर यू हियर मी? और एनी अदर? ओके, सो ये पांचों हम लोगों का ग्रुप में था ना?
यस सर।
ओके, और कोई नहीं ना? ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो व्हाट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट वर्क? प्लीज टेल मी.
Sir, I have made a presentation, sir.
Okay, and any other
Sir, generally, our member have मतलब consulted sir with me, sir.
Okay. So,
Same person.
okay. So you have to present the presentation also.
Yes, sir.
Sudhanshu, please, your आपका वीडियो अप करो.
Sir, I have shared this PDF on group, sir. Final project group, sir.
Okay. So just wait. I am. So from my here to not sharing from these documents. So anyone, please share the documents.
Sir, only host can share, sir.
Okay, I am making you to host. Just wait. Okay, Anupam, you can share now. Yes, Anupam, are you host now? You have to show that is your presentation.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I am sharing, sir.
Okay, okay, okay.
Sir, it is visible, sir.
Yes, visible.
Sir, the first page is generally written start delta starter,
Okay.
and we are in engineering college and electrical branch. Just that's why it is written, sir.
Mhm.
Sir, second page, it is about starter, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, first point is, sir, as the name indicates that the starter is used to start rotating machine. Sir, the name is suggesting that the starter is generally used to start the motor, but it can also stop the motor. And sir, it can also reverses the motor direction, sir. Second point is, sir, starter are used to limit the industry starting current. Generally, starter are main purpose of starter is to protect the motor from industry starting current, sir. That's why starter are used. The third point is, sir, there are various type of starter available for different category of machines. Um, Sir, as we know that are various types of machine that work on AC or DC, but our team has decided to make project on start delta starter, sir, which is capable of running three-phase induction motor, sir. So this is about starter, sir.
Okay.
And sir, third page, sir, why start delta starter only? Sir, industry various type of motor are used, but mainly three-phase induction motor are used because they have higher efficiency, and these are wider used in industries and various places also, sir. Sir, but industries we require more. The motor used are of higher rating, sir. That is greater than 10 HP. And for 10 HP, for greater than 10 HP, we require starter to start the motor, sir. And there are there are also some machines available below 10 HP, but for that we use dual starter, and they are very less in number, sir. That's why we are making project on starter, sir. And the dual starter is also used. Dual starter can also be used for larger motor, mm, but the condition is, sir, once the motor is started, it should not be stopped for 2 to 3 days, sir. That's why starter is prefer, where you can quickly switch on and off, sir. We can use on and off in some interval. There, starter is used, sir. The
Okay.
fourth one is, sir.
So one question here, it is automatic control, that is automatic off and on.
No, sir. Automatic off and on, not, sir.
Okay.
There is push button, sir. That is NO and NC contact. By that we can control the starter, sir. It is
Okay.
not automatic, sir. But when there is any fault or a very large current flowing, then there is a relay that will send message to the circuit breaker. It will automatically trip, sir,
Okay.
and the motor will stop, sir. Sir, basic of starter, sir. Sir, starter. Generally, when we start the three-phase induction motor, the connection is connected in a star. So voltage is reduced to 1/3 times, and also current is reduced to 1/3 time. Thus, and when motor gains 70 to 18% of speed, then there is a timer set, and it can be of 10 second, 15 second, depending on the user, sir. And the timer will automatically uh, swap the connection from star to delta, sir, and the motor will run on its full rating, sir. So advantages of it, sir, it is inexpensive, sir. Sir, no, it is electrical control. That's why no it is produced, or tap changing devices needs to be used, or its efficiency is increases, sir. Starting current are also in reduced to 1/3 time. And sir, its main disadvantage is that it reduces the torque of the motor to 1/3 of the full load, sir. Full load torque, sir. It is
Okay.
the basic of starter, sir. And sir, in next, sir, power wiring of starter and control wiring, sir. I have just copied it from somewhere else, sir. I tried to understood, but it make me difficult. But I will understand it, sir. I will explain it, sir.
Okay.
And the last page is, sir, apparatus required for project, sir. Generally, I have not told many thing about in this project, sir, because generally we need apparatus for this, sir. After that, we can continue, sir. That's why I've written, sir. First is MCCB, that is miniature circuit control circuit breaker, sir. Then the second is overload relay. Third is, sir, we require three contactors. First is main contactor, second is star contactor, and third is delta contactor. Then next is connecting wires. For connecting it, sir, we need connecting wires, sir. We need plywood, because all the apparatus are to be placed on the plywood, sir. And we need multimeter to check continuity, sir. And wire cutters, sir, for cutting the wires. And we require tape for tapes, and we also need needles, sir. Push button, NO and NC button, sir. And 3-phase induction motor, sir. It will be provided by the college lab, sir. Sir, that's all, sir. Project.
Okay. So,
Thank you, sir.
okay. So very good. So nice presentation. So one question. So what is the basic costing of this project? What is the basic cost? क्या खर्च आ सकता है, मतलब क्या कॉस्टिंग आ सकता है?
Sir, about 12 to 15,000, sir.
Okay, मतलब this is using 3-phase induction motor.
Yes, sir.
It is included in this 12 to 15,000. This is 3-phase induction motor. मतलब ये इंडक्शन मोटर का जो यूज हो रहा है,
Sir, your voice is not clear.
मैं जो बोल रहा हूँ ये जो 12
Yes,
टू
sir. ये कॉलेज
Yes.
के द्वारा प्रोवाइड कर दिया गया।
अच्छा अच्छा, इसका एप्लीकेशन एरिया कहाँ पे होता है, मतलब कहाँ पे हम लोग इसको यूज कर सकते हैं? एनीवन प्लीज टेल मी।
इसको सर एप्लीकेशन तो जनरली हम लोग इसको 3-phase इंडक्शन मोटर को स्टार्ट करने में ही करते हैं, सर। स्टार्टर है सर, नहीं एक तरह से, इसीलिए।
Okay. And what is the basic drawback of this system?
Sir, this is only one drawback, sir. That the torque is reduced to 1/3 time, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if the motor is not cleaned, sir, and it is not well greased, then it might happen that motor is not able to start, sir, because the torque is reduced very much now, sir. So the motor
Okay, so little bit my here network is problem, so okay. Or
so
any
that's why your was sometime not.
okay, so anything or
Sir, I think, sir, I discussed this project with my friend, sir. He told that you can also add in this project only that you can make reverse, matlab ki you can also provide a button that will reverses the motor direction, sir.
okay.
I thought, sir, but for it 4 contactor is needed, but I think we will try to do that also, sir, in this project.
Okay. Okay, so anyone any questions in regarding this matter? ओके और आप लोगों का ग्रुप में मतलब एक वीडियो शेयर किए हैं, तो वो क्या वो जो सेम वीडियो है इसके ऊपर?
सर वो तो हम सेंड किए थे, सर। ये वो सिर्फ बताने समझाने के लिए था कि स्टार्टर का मतलब यूज क्या होता है, बस सर।
अच्छा तो ठीक है, सो एट फर्स्ट हम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे? ये तो आप लोगों का जो आउटलाइन हम लोगों को बता दिया गया। ओके, मतलब जो आप लोग करना चाहते हैं तो इसको स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं। तो पहले से आप लोगों को तो काम करना स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So everyone, please concentrate this. So start the basically project work, okay?
Yes, sir.
And because it has different parts also, one is hardware model, okay, then another one is that is your copy, that is a project copies is also in the given format, okay, and also PPT presentation, another final PPT presentation you have to made, okay. These are the lots of project work we have to done one by one, okay. So please you have to describe in the details work part by part, okay, and all of you please attend this project work, be positive. Okay, so any others members or any idea or in about that? Sachin, Sipsakti, Sudhanshu? Okay, so please tell me how it is starting. मतलब आप लोग कहाँ से स्टार्ट करोगे?
Sir, first we need apparatus, sir. We have to purchase it from market, sir.
Yes.
Different apparatus.
Okay. So आप
Then
लोगों का
also,
जो
then only we can make, sir.
ओके, तो ये जो apparatus आप लोगों को यूज करोगे तो ये मार्केट में मिल जाएगा ना?
Yes, sir. मिल जाएगा, sir. अलग अलग कंपनी
हाँ
का
सर,
आता है,
मिल
सर.
जाता।
Siemens, L&T.
अच्छा, ठीक है, उसको मतलब ये करना पड़ेगा। फिर उसके बाद मतलब आप लोगों का घर क्या मतलब नजदीक है? आप लोगों का फ्रेंड का जो है
नहीं
घर
सर, थोड़ा
नजदीक
दूर
नहीं है,
दूर।
सर.
दूर दूर है, यही तो प्रॉब्लम है। मतलब ये लॉकडाउन में ये ग्रुप वर्क, ये प्रोजेक्ट वर्क, ऐसे जो ग्रुप वर्क होता है यही प्रॉब्लम होता है। तो आप लोगों का कब से परमिशन मिल रहा है? ऐसे कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन है आप लोगों के पास?
नहीं
कुछ
सर।
सर वो
हाँ
तो आप ही
सर।
ना दे सकते सर।
हाँ, तो हम लोग को मतलब कॉलेज में अभी तक तो कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं मिल रहा है, बट बाहर में देख रहे हो तो बहुत सारे स्कूल खुल गया है, देख रहे हैं।
सर
हाँ
बाकी
सर।
सब तो खुल गया है, पता नहीं हम ही लोग का कॉलेज नहीं खोलना चाह रहा है।
हाँ, तो ये तो प्रॉब्लम देख रहा है।
पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज भी खुल गया है क्या?
हाँ, पॉलिटेक्निक कॉलेज भी तो खुल
हाँ,
गया, स्टूडेंट
पॉलिटेक्निक
बहुत सारे आ गया, देख रहे हैं।
सब क्लास कर रहे हैं सर।
अच्छा ठीक है, देखते हैं कब तक ये स्टार्ट हो रहा है। तो पहले आप लोगों को काम है मतलब वो जो apparatus आप लोगों को यूज करोगे प्रोजेक्ट के में, उसके मतलब आपका नजदीक कोई मार्केट में मिल रहा है तो उसको आपको ये करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
फिर उसके बाद स्टेप बाय स्टेप आप लोग स्टार्ट कर दो काम।
Yes, sir.
और इसके साथ साथ मतलब वो जो कॉपी जो बनाना पड़ेगा प्रोजेक्ट के वर्क के लिए, उसका भी मतलब पैरेलली आप लोगों को काम करना पड़ेगा गिवन फॉर्मेट में। ओके
Yes, sir.
ओके, सो और एनी अदर्स? Any questions or anyone? Okay, Anupam, please take a screenshot of the participant list and send me. Okay, so questions and no one, no questions. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, so thanks everyone. We will meet again in next classes also. Okay, and all of you please start the project work step by step. Okay, क्योंकि ये टाइम में आप लोगों को करना पड़ेगा, खत्म भी करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so end करते हैं क्लास को.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, okay, thanks everyone.